It's Gay Gamer Bros. Hi guys, today we're unbox this Bobcat skidsteer and also our old skidsteer. Enjoy.
Alright. Thank you, JD. Yep.
Kids, I already open here so we can rip it open.
Okay, thanks, JD. Hey guys, today we're gonna unbox this Bobcat skidsteer. It's number 753.
And that's open.
Yeah, it's a loader model 753.
We saw the real one.
Yeah.
Now let's open it.
Yes, open it, JD. Pretty cool.
Rip into wax.
Uh-oh. What happened? You destroyed the box, the packet. Here
There
we
he
go.
is.
Pull it out, JD.
This is the one I wanted.
I know. You've been asking for this a long time.
All time.
Oh, careful, careful. Oh, careful, careful.
Get them out
Whoa, there you go. Show the kids what it can do.
It lifts up higher.
Yep.
And jump.
Yep, yep. Here. Yep, show it. What can it do?
Lift up high.
Uh-huh. Put it in my hand. Put it in my hand.
And here's our old one here.
Mm-hmm.
This is the older one. It doesn't jump or go high.
So what is this called?
It's a Bobcat.
Okay, and then what's this called?
Solid tires.
No, what's this one on the top? It's got the hydraulic
And the cab.
and the cab.
And the bucket and moves like this.
Uh-huh. Whoa.
He done stuff out.
Alright, it's pretty cool, JD. I love it. Can you give me the other one? Our cat skidsteer, so we can
caterpillar.
yeah, so we can compare it. Whoa, this one is much bigger.
Then the small one.
Yeah, I love it, but the details are so
Cool.
It's like a real one, JD. This one is 1:50 scale, and this one is a bit smaller. It can carry the other one, JD.
Yeah.
Excellent. Are we gonna do a stop motion with this one?
Yeah, the same stop motion.
Alright, okay. Thanks, kids. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Watch our stop motion video. See you next time.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
What's that?
Oh, that's there.
Move this out now.
Whoa, pretty cool.
He can do that?
Yeah, it
I'll show you
can.
this, kids. I'll show you this.
Okay.
I'll show you. Like that. He can roll like that. Goodbye, guys.